Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to introduce to you our 2021 Volkswagen Jetta GLI with a beautiful red exterior, black wheels, black mirror cap, and blacked out roof. This vehicle has a stunning red and black exterior. Interior is finished in black leather, 6-speed transmission, and you do get Beats premium audio. Coming around now to the rear seat space. Tons of leg space as well as head space. You do have a nice sunroof as well. And rear seat passengers are given rear heated seats on the outer seats. Coming around to the back here, you will notice that black spoiler here on the rear trunk. Tons of space, as Jettas are known to have. You have a 60/40 rear split in the bench with easy pull down tabs here. Let's again show you the exterior of this wonderful GLI. Coming around to the driver's side here, you have full power adjustability with memory. Hopping on into the interior, you will see lane assist, regular cruise control, automatic cruise control. You have blind spot monitoring, radar traffic, front assist. This vehicle actually has 81,711 kilometers at the time of filming. Standard Volkswagen layout on the steering wheel with a nice GLI call out here at the bottom. You have your cruise control buttons here on the left side, as well as your driver assist button. You also have your Bluetooth and dashboard control here on the right side. You will notice this is a full digital dash, so you can change it up. Here in the middle, you do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have navigation as well. Quick image here of the backup camera that is provided with this vehicle. There you go. Automatic climate control, dual zone, 2 USB-C ports, Qi wireless charging down low. You got your remote start, electronic parking control. You have a mode switch here. Nice little touch this. You do have heated seats and ventilated seats. Nothing if that was deleted during the model year. Giving you a nice package here in a compact sedan that is perfect for the city. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you the GLI that we have here in the lot. In stunning red, amazing condition, and ready for you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Valley Volkswagen. Thank you again. Take care.